Here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, probably Quilpie area. Looking at the stone, rules in millimetres, materials wetted. White, as you can see, there's the reflection of the lights. I just brought it in a little bit closer so see the stone or face there. It's got some quite nice colours in it when you move it around. See the reds, greens. Other pieces like this just got nice patterns. Something like that you could just polish into a pendant. This is a pretty little piece. Again, just polish this the way it is. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. It's not very expensive material. Great to get started, get the feel for Boulder Opal. Once you get into it, you'll probably like using it. I hope you've enjoyed.